Hello, welcome to another Cycle Tech Review unboxing. Today we've got a GPS unit from TwoNav. TwoNav are a Spanish company, not very well known in the UK, but they produce their own units in Spain, which is quite cool, I think. They started off about 20 years ago making mapping software for paragliders. They would map their routes and then follow it when they flew their paragliders. They then went on to develop that software, eventually started making their own handheld units for any outdoor enthusiasts, kayakers, walkers, paragliders. And then a few years ago started making GPS units specifically for bikes. So that's what we've got here. There are 3 models available. Let's take a look inside and see what it looks like. Okay, let's go ahead and look at what we've got in this packaging. Okay, there we have TwoNav. Freedom to discover. Nice bit of cardboard, but I like that actually. It's very plain, very simple. It means it's going to be easy to recycle. No glossy cardboard, just plain cardboard. So it should be easy to recycle that, which is important. Right, let's see how we get in. I'm guessing we undo that and then hopefully it should just pull out. Hopefully. Let's have a look. Push, there we go. Okay, ready for the big reveal. Da-da-da-da-da. Ah, there we go. That's the TwoNav, a little there you see, it's the TwoNav Roc. I don't know if you can see just there, TwoNav Roc. Quarter turn mounting on the back, 2 buttons, 2 buttons. So it's a total of 6 buttons. A little screen protector over the front there. That comes off nicely. So we've got, I'm assuming, on off, plus minus, arrow, and arrow, 2 arrows down the bottom as well. Let's look what else is in the box. Like I say, I think it's important that companies are doing this, producing more of their packaging in just plain cardboard. It makes it a lot easier when it comes to recycling. And we get stickers. A few more bits inside. There we go. That's everything. That's all the packaging. And we get wow, 10% off your next purchase. That's good to know. Warranty and a quick start manual. So we've got a mount there. These will be adjusters for your bars or your stem. No out front connection there. This will just sit on your handlebars or on your stem, but that looks like a fairly standard quarter turn, so hopefully it will I better not do it like that. Oh, you also get various rubber bungees and a magnetic charging cable which will connect like so. So charging is fairly straightforward. Just take that off. There you go. So you can have a better look at that. I'll be using this for. I mean, I prefer this size. It's not huge. Nice beep as it turns on. Blue light. Looks like we got some charge. TwoNav booting up. Sorry about the noise in the background. We got some roofers next door doing some work, so you'll probably be picking that up. We've also got jackdaws and seagulls fighting, so you'll get that every now and again as well. Maybe not enough charge. Oh, there you go. There's the booting up. Roc. This is its first turn on. See how long I mean, its initial turn on. So I imagine oh, there you go. So you got various languages to start off with. Wants to configure Wi-Fi. I'll do all that later. Yeah, that looks quite a good unit. Let's see what it measures on the rusty old tape measure. We're looking at 55 centimeters by about 87, and if you're worried about the thickness, it's just short, maybe 18-19 centimeters deep. Quite a nice little unit, that. I like that. I like a smaller. I'm not keen on the really big units, especially if you're racing. They're more likely to get knocked and damaged. This is quite a nice size. Screen looks big enough. Let's see if we can get a look at some of the actual screens as we go along. I've got to calibrate the compass. I don't want to calibrate just yet, but I don't know if you can see the screen there. It looks pretty bright. I mean, not so good on my camera, but to my eyeballs, that's pretty good screen. I mean, the lines are very small, but well defined. Colour's good. Let's have a look what we can get. Waypoints, activities, routes. Let's see if we can get a map up. Western Europe comes with most of Europe. Portugal, that's good for when I go on holidays. British Isles, OSM. I am assuming that's Ordnance Survey. Okay, let's see if we can get a... let's see if we can just start something and see a route. Track log, no, we don't have any of that. But it's all, as you can see, it's all... the screen is reacting really quite well, actually. I haven't got any waypoints on there to look at, or activities. Let's go back. Let's go start. Free activity, no GPS. Well, of course, because we're in my bunker at the moment. Follow activity, track, attack, training by distance, training by time. There's quite a few options there just from the start screen. I'll put more details on. This is just literally just to give you an idea. And I presume it's a long press to turn it off. Yeah, there we go. Shutting down TwoNav. Let's see how quickly it. I mean, like I say, that is a nice. I mean, I'd be tempted to get a screen protector for the front of that, because once you start getting muddy and mucky, you don't want to damage it. So I'll see if something's available, and if it is, I'll let you know. But that is the TwoNav Roc. Very nice little GPS unit. I'll get using it and tell you how it works and how it performs and how easy it is. But as you can see, there's it's a nice little unit. I mean, I'll see if we can get an out front connector, because I do prefer them. But if not, it's not a major deal. But there you go, TwoNav Roc. Looks good. Look out for the preview, which will be coming soon. And then once I've had a chance to really use it, there'll be a review. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye there.